Welcome to Researcher Hawks. In this video we will see how to make great LinkedIn profile. This is very simple tips and tricks. You just follow my tips and tricks and make your own great LinkedIn profile and find very easily job. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Researcher Hawks. So simply first of all I will show you my LinkedIn profile and explain how you build your own LinkedIn profile like this. So this is my LinkedIn profile. I prefer English language and here publish my URL. You can create your own URL like a linkedin.com/in and my personal name. So this URL become like this. You should first of all create your own URL or modified your own URL. Clicking there, here you can very easily modify your URL. This is one of the tips and tricks. Second thing, you need to add here your name proper way, as well as I added here my voice also. If someone are not pronounced properly, so someone are clicking here, so my name is automatically created here. I already record and put it here accordingly. So you should add here, you should put it here your profile title or some thoughts. So I added here thought name, currently where you work, and previously your education university name. You need to add it here. Personal website, you should also add it here. How to add the personal website? Just simply tap here the pencil menu and just scroll down here. You need to add here voice recording, pronunciation you should add, but you skip it. Current position, current company. Scroll here, edit contact info. If you click here edit contact info, so here personal website link is automatically display here, or name is coming. You should add here if you have personal website, so you simply put it here and then save it, close. So this is one of the best way to add here all information. Scroll down here. Now we can see here about us. This is my about us. I already explained here my about us, like how many experience I have IT industry or research and development, how many skills I have like in data science related, speech recognitions, NLP, NLU, NLG, text to speech synthesis, and I put it here in within one line my entire education, like I completed my PhD, MPhil, MSc, and which university and which college, like this. Responsibility, if you already work, you have experience, so you should add it here. I work as team lead, professor, principal applied scientist, the position name, and familiar about the specific algorithm. So I am very much familiar about those algorithms, so I added here how many programming language you have skills, so you should add it here and define properly like a programming language, and then after you should add it here the rest of programming language, frameworks and tools. So I added here one of the point, frameworks and tools, and put it here how many frameworks and tools I am familiar, like a database related information. Toolkit, how many toolkits familiar myself, I added here. Award and achievement, if you have award and achievement, you should put it here like this, so recruiter are visit and just check your profile like in about us section. After that volunteership also I added here extra. Then after activity related concept, next point come here in experience point of view. You should add here profile name, company name, and as my experience you need to add it here at least one paragraph, which types of job profile you have and which types of work you are working on currently. So currently I am put it here one of the paragraph, but previous company I explain much more because of after finish my job I have lot of information. Accordingly I put it here this information like this. So each and every job profile I mention here all explanation. Everyone can very easily understand how many skills I have and how much percentage knowledge I have in the specific domain. After that education, even I explain very much clear as an education point of view. I complete my postdoc, PhD, and then after I explain entire education also, like a BSc to till MSc, MSc to till my PhD, and after that I put it here license and certification under. So many license certification I added here, around 652 license and certification. Someone are very easily recognize you and your profile and your knowledge, and after that he or she very easily contact you. Project related information you should add here in project section. How many project you done already? I just added one project, but upcoming days I will add here much more project very clearly, so someone are very easily understand. Volunteership skills, publication, if you have research article you should add the publication sector like this. How many language you speak, you add here. Interested company and leave. This is one of the best way to make your LinkedIn profile. You should put it here. Professional pictures are your profile pictures and background you should upload here one of the interesting background image. So this is a simple way to build your LinkedIn profile as a great way. You can use my LinkedIn profile for more understanding and put it such kind of data and information.
If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.